Is Brixie gonna get you? Belly flop! Is Brixie gonna get you? Can you show me how you do a belly flop? Can you do?
Can you show mommy happy?
Natalie. Brixie's gonna get you. Better belly flop. Brixie's gonna get you. Hi. Can you show me smile? Thank you.
Oh.
Belly flops. Hey, Natalie. Is Brixie gonna get you? Okay, why don't you go get Brixie? Go get her. Where is she? Where is she? Careful. I think she might be coming for you. Belly